Cindy, it's nice to get outside for once, but I can't believe it's pouring.
Well, I wasn't going to sit in the house and listen to my mom talk about Jesus all day.
I know, hey? She feels like doing that a lot lately.
Hey, isn't this that old haunted town village?
I don't know, how far have we been walking? I've lost track.
Well, we started way far away.
So basically, we're very close?
You know what? I think this is that old haunted town that's been abandoned for years.
Hey, look. What's that? It looks really creepy. Hey, it's the
morgue. Come on, don't be a baby, let's look.
What's it called? Sawbuck's Morgue? I don't think we should go in there, Cindy.
Well, I'm different.
Cindy. Cindy! We can't just trespass.
Hey, look. I hope there's a door on. Don't worry, there's another door over here.
What is this stuff, Cindy? An axe?
What's this for?
Grinding your bones.
What about this?
Cindy.
What do you think went in there?
Hey, look, it's dirty old coffin. I don't think you should open that.
Wouldn't hurt.